we've got a background which is not sort of straight across a kind of a horizon. Sort of level. Oh, by the way, also you can see quite plainly that I've placed my my composition in a shadow box. That's all it is. It's a box that I found. So I'm just going to darken that slightly, maybe I'll darken it with a little bit of ivory black. Putting something dark next to something light makes it look lighter. It's important, even if you can't sort of see it there. Where else do we see that? We see it here. We're filling in those bits that we missed before. There's the rim of that vase comes around here. I'm just going to put a little reference to it there. But over here, it's reflecting the flower heads. I see that, so I'm going to take some of that nice yellow for the meniscus of the water here. I'm talking like a physicist. I mean, that's a word I remember from school. I'm not absolutely sure that I've got it right. Is that right? Meniscus of the water with the surface tension and all that? Maybe physics has changed since I was at school.
No, that's fine, Kevin. It's meniscus.
Oh, right. Okay. I think my physics teacher would probably fall over backwards if he heard me saying that, because he thought I wasn't listening at all. Nobody can just observe acutely right from the beginning. You paint and you continue observing and you tell yourself things must be there. There's all this color and variety around this object. Where is it in the composition? And I've just noticed there that there is almost a pure reflection of the green here. And how do you say, break up edges. And then you can go in and just sort of keep going up. I mean, that's why I say that you could actually spend your entire day doing a painting like this, especially of white. Here, you see the strokes a bit better.
Yummy.
Can you?
Yeah.
That's.
Oh.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Really.
Very good. Oh yeah.
Now, you can go on and you can go on and you can go on a painting like this. You can sort of finish a painting very soon after you've done the blocking in, can't you? So, but you can take it to Rembrandt levels.
Yeah.
You know, if you want and if you can. I'm not saying that I can do that either, but